In this video, I'm going to show you how you can give a portrait and abstract painting effect in PS Touch. And here we are back in PS Touch. So let's just go ahead and import our image. Photo library. And yeah, you're going to need two sets of image for this effect. So one will be your model image, and the second one will be an abstract artifact kind of image. So let's go ahead. First of all, let's import our model image. So we're going to click on add, and this is the image. So what we want to do first, we want to extract our from our background or something like that. So to do that, there are different ways you can do that. So I'm going to use the quick selection tool because it's going to be quicker. So you click on this, scroll to the top, and you see your quick selection tool right here. So I want to select the background because I think it's going to be easier. So I think I'll make the brush size a bit bigger. So I'm just going to quickly select through, and you catch me later. As you can see, we over selected this area, so we want to bring it back out. So to do that, you click on mode, and you see the subtract icon attached to it because we want to subtract from it. And that's it. So before we go ahead and extract this image, we want to refine it. As you can see, some of the portion of the hair aren't selected. So let's go to this part, click right here and click on refine edge. Yeah, so the brush, you want to make it a bit smaller. Just brush around the hair like so. So I think the brush should be a bit bigger. Just brush around the corners. And once you are done with the selection, you can click on OK. So we now have a better selection of what we just selected. So what we want to do, we selected the background, we want to select the model. What we want to do is to click right here and inverse, to inverse the selection. As you can see, it's now selecting just the model. So now what you want to do is to click right here on your layer drop down, click on this icon and click layer from selection. Done. As you can see, we now have the model in our own layer. Alright, now let us go ahead and import our abstract painting. So we click on this and deselect, and we click right here, we click on this icon, photo layer, photo library, and select our abstract painting. Click on add. So you bring it right at the top, you click on done. So let's duplicate it, let's fill the whole area with it. So you click on this, duplicate, done, and click right here and transform. So take it down to this point, we'll click on done. So we don't need a sharp edge, so let's simply fade that out using our fade tool. So click right here and you'll see fade. So that's not where we want it. We want it at this direction. And yeah, it looks better now. So you click done. Let's duplicate it again to fill the entire area. Done. Click right here and transform. So take it to the bottom and we click on done. So now we can merge those other, now we can merge the abstract painting together. Click right here, you click here, you click right here, click on merge down, you click it again, so you click on done. So now we have everything in one layer. So first of all, let's take it to the bottom, set it, change the blend mode. To change the blend mode, you click right here, click on here, overlay, like so. So first we want to make a duplicate of it. Let's turn it off at first. We'll click right here and let's go to the brightness. To do that, click on adjustment and you'll see brightness and contrast. Let's make it really darker. Alright, then you click on done and you go back here, and this is our copy. We'll put it